Hello, my name is Jeremy Harris and I am the Automotive Service Technology Instructor for Northeast Tech at the Pryor campus. For our first year students, we start off with the basics. We go through basic shop safety, how to properly put a vehicle on a lift, how to raise it up, how to check to make sure that's on the lift properly. We go through some basic electrical. They will come out and actually take engines apart, tear them down to a bare block. They put them back together, and along the way they kind of learn how everything works inside of the engine. One benefit for the first year students is that we do have a partnership with Ford Motor Company through our maintenance and light repair program. We are the only career tech in the state that offers that program, and it allows the first years to gain 34 credentials from Ford Motor Company, which is a huge benefit if they decide they want to go work for a Ford dealership. Almost a guaranteed job at that point. Second year students, they are going to spend more time in the shop. They get to do a lot of the live work. We do have other instructors that bring their cars in. They kind of act like customers. I can bring my cars in. The students can bring their own cars in. They really get more of the hands-on live work, fixing real-world problems. And then the second half of their final year here, they actually get to go out to on-job training, where they will go out for 4 days a week, work at anything in the automotive industry. They come back on Fridays and we just kind of have a little powwow session. We talk about, what went good, what went bad, what areas they feel like they need more training in before they go back to work. Once a student graduates from the program, they have several options. Some go on to be dealership technicians, some go to work at independent shops, some can work at a parts store, be a parts specialist. Some may decide they want to be a service advisor where they actually deal with the customers on a daily basis and kind of explain what repairs need to be done to their car. They also have the option to go on to OSU IT or to Universal Technical Institute to kind of continue their automotive education and get a degree at the same time. If you like fixing stuff, if you like solving problems, if you like working on cars, even if you're not sure, if you don't think you know anything about cars. When I started, I didn't know anything about cars, and now I teach people how to work on cars. This is definitely a field to get into. There's jobs, there's job security. It's really exciting. You get to work on new stuff every day. It's never boring at all. So if you think you're interested, come down, take a tour, come talk to me. This might be the best program for you.
Northeast Tech, preparing individuals for successful careers.